Numberblock friends! Today we will build the number blocks from 11 to 14 together and also learn to add from 11 to 14. Come on kids, let's have fun together! Now guess with which number we will start. Yes, do you know which number this is? Come on, we will build together. This number block, which I built now, has 10 white blocks and 1 red block. We have 10 white blocks now. Now we have also put the face on it. And 1 red block. Yes! It's number block 11. Number block 11 is made up by 10 white blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 1 red block. 11. 11. Now we go on with number block. Do you know which number block it could be? Come on, we will count and find out it together. As you can see, this number block is made up by 10 white blocks and 2 orange blocks. Now we have also put the face on it. So then we have number block 12. Yes! This is number block 12. And number block 12 is made up by 10 white blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 2 orange blocks. 11 and 12. Now we have number block 11 and 12. Do you guess which number block is the next? Oh, I'm sure you know that, kids. Come on, we will build and count together. Oh, look! This number block had also 10 white blocks and, as you can see, 3 yellow blocks. Now we need also the face on it. Oh, look! We have number block 13. Yes, number block 13 is made up by 10 white blocks and 3 yellow blocks. Come on, we will count together, kids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, look! We have already 11, 12 and 13. What's the next? Do you know that? Oh, look! Do you guess which number block is the next? I think it's very easy. Come on, we will build it together, kids. This number block is made up also of 10 white blocks and 4 green blocks. Do you guess which number block it could be? Now we need also the face on it. The eye, the mouth, and the next eye. Oh, I think it's number block 14 because it has a skateboard and also a helmet. Yes! Yes! The next number block is 14. Now we have 11, 12, 13 and 14. And do you know, kids, what happened if we add 11 and 12 plus 13 plus 14 together? Do you know which number we have if we add 11, 12, 13 and 14? Come on, kids, we will count together. Oh, look, we put all the 11, 12, 13, 14 together. And now, let's count and find out what 11 plus 12 plus 13 and 14 is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Yes! 11 plus 12 plus 13 equals 50. Yes! Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.